Be kind always. So that's a phrase that we hear a lot. In fact, I have it tattooed on my arm. And how are you kind to yourself? I'm Kathy. I'm a trauma therapist. My information's below. Love to connect with you. In my previous videos, I was talking about a methodology of emotional regulation that's called the RAIN methodology. And today we're going to focus on the N. The N is nurture or net zero, whichever feels better for you. The idea behind the N, though, is the self-compassion and kindness we give ourselves after we have processed through the emotion and understand where and why we are producing this type of reaction, emotional reaction, and what are the learnings that we're getting from that. And so when we have an emotional reaction, it produces energy, and that energy goes somewhere in our body. The science says if we sit with that energy for 90 seconds or less, it will pass. However, that can be a long time. So we need to give that self-compassion and kindness and nurture ourselves through the process. Pro tip, if the stimulant for your reaction is coming from outside of your body, it's too peoply or something in your environment's annoying you, you need to go inside for that nurturing kind of tool, like a breathing technique or just focusing in on where in your body it's happening. If the stimulus is coming from within, you're having some repetitive negative thoughts, you need to have a coping tool that comes from outside of your body. Go take a walk, ground yourself, focus on everything that you can see here in your environment, and see how that regulates you. I see you, and I'll talk to you later.